Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to group elements on your design upon Canva using your smartphone. So let's say you want to create an Instagram post. This method works for any kind of design you want to create on Canva. It's either an Instagram post, a YouTube thumbnail, a Twitter post, or a Facebook post. So whatever kind of design you want to create on Canva, this feature is available for that. So we're going to create a new design. Let's go over to a new canvas to create a new design. So when we brought here, we want to click the plus button to add elements. So let's say we want to create an Instagram post. Let's go to elements section. Let's click on the line and just want to put this vertical, then scale it up. I just want to leave this way to just show proximity. I just want to use this to show proximity stuff. Let's increase the line weight, and let's go over to add more elements on both sides of the design. Let's say I have this element of this star, this graphic star, and just want to scale it down a bit and put it over here. Let's say I want to add abstract objects to the left side of the canvas and natural object to the right side of the canvas. So let's add more abstract object here. Just adding random stuff. Click on this as well, scale it down, bring this up here, and let's add one more abstract element here. Let's say this, and I'll scale this down as well. So to group elements on your design upon Canva, all you need to do is to press and hold the first element, and this menu option which says more will be brought. All you need to do is click on select multiple, and when you click on select multiple, sort of like a notification button will be popped up saying one selected. Then you go back up to your canvas and click on the second element which you want to group, click on the third. Depending on the amount of elements you want to group, just click on them, and yeah, all you need to do, depending on the amount of elements you want to group, just click on them, and when you're done, basically exit. Now your element has been selected to be grouped, and all you need to do is to click on group. Now you can see this element has been grouped into a single element, so you could click, hold to drag. Now you see all three elements have been dragged to different location of the canvas after being grouped. Now you have three elements as a single element up on your canvas. So let's add up more elements to the right side and repeat the same stuff again. Let's say we want to do for natural objects, so go to the search bar and say, let's say trees. Yeah, let's say this. Let's add this to our design. Let's add this as well to our design. Scale it down. Let's add a third object. Let's say this. Scale it down. And we just repeat same process. We press and hold the first element, and this menu option say more. We click on select multiple, click the second element, click as much element as you want to group, press and hold, select multiple, click on the second element, click on the third element, and click on the cancel and click on group. And your element has been grouped, so you could move them to any side of the canvas you want. So to undo what you've done to ungroup this element, all you need to do is click on it and tap on ungroup, and this element will be ungrouped. So this could be moved separately, this could be moved separately, and this could be moved separately. If you're getting value from this video, I encourage you hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Now this method could be applied to any design you want to create, either an Instagram post, a Facebook post, or Twitter post. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.